Start with glute. Sit on top of the foam roller, draw up Zen. Roll slowly on the glute area. If you find any tender spots, hold it for a little longer. Now the hamstring, position foam roller under hamstring. Draw up Zen. Roll slowly from above the back of the knee to below the posterior hip. Now the calf. Position foam roller under calf. Draw up Zen and tighten glute muscles. Roll slowly around the calf area. Now the other leg, and start with the glute. If you find any tender spots, put a little extra pressure gently on those spots. Same thing with the hamstring. Slowly roll from above the back of the knee to below the posterior hip. And now the calf. For the back, sit on the floor with foam roller placed behind the back. Place hands behind your head, or you can keep arms to the side. Draw up Zen and raise hips. Gently move back and forth, finding those tender spots. Now the quads. Lie face down with foam roller positioned above the knees. Draw up Zen. Engage glutes. Gently roll from above the knees to below the pelvic bone.